इंपॉर्टेंट रिपीटेड BCQs ऑफ ergonomics, और वो उनको हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं. ये माइनर पार्ट है लेकिन इसमें 35% BCQs आपके बनते हैं और ये मोस्ट कॉमन और रिपीटेड BCQs हैं आपके ergonomics के. इसको एक नज़र देख लीजिएगा एग्जाम से पहले तो, क्योंकि ये मोस्ट रिपीटेड हैं तो आई गेस ये आ सकते हैं एग्जाम में आपके पास भी. ergonomics इज़ द बॉडी ऑफ नॉलेज कंसर्न विद. तो यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शन हैं और तीनों के तीनों सही हैं. ह्यूमन एबिलिटीज़ के लिए भी काम करती है आपके ergonomics. डिज़ाइन ऑफ टूल ऑफ मशीन सिस्टम टास्क जॉब एनवायरनमेंट फिटिंग द जॉब और टास्क विद द पर्सन. तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑल ऑफ अबव. ergonomics इज़ साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ वर्क. तो इसका पहला ऑप्शन सही होगा. मूवमेंट इज़ एसेंशियल फॉर हेल्थ फॉर वेलबींग फॉर लेवल ऑफ अलर्टनेस. तो इसका भी ऑप्शन 4 ऑल ऑफ अबव ही सही होगा. व्हाट आर द पोटेंशियल बेनिफिट्स ऑफ दिस कोर्स. तो इसके पोटेंशियल बेनिफिट्स क्या हैं, जितने भी ऑप्शन है वो सही हैं. कि हमें सेफ्टी समझ में आती है, हमें रिस्क फैक्टर्स अपने काम के दौरान रिस्क फैक्टर्स कम होते हैं और इंजरीज़ जो है वो काम के दौरान जो है वो कम हो जाती हैं अगर हम ergonomics के अकॉर्डिंग चलें तो. इसका भी होगा ऑल ऑफ अबव. इट इज़ नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट फॉर एम्प्लॉयज़ टू और सुपरवाइजर्स टू डायग्नोज साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स. One of the primary objective of ergonomics awareness training is to recognize the workplace risk factors for ergonomic awareness and understand general methods of controlling them. So it's option D. Which of the following is not considered one of 3 areas within the ergonomic risk factor exists? The environment. Ability of a test to detect correctly presence of disease is called specificity. Ergonomics is related to human comfort and safety. Answer is C, both A and B. Sitting requires 20% of energy in comparison with standing. The subdiscipline of human factors or ergonomic that emphasizes a broad system view of design and fitting organization to person within the organization is called macroergonomics. The approach of ergonomics that emphasizes examination of interface between person and product, it is called microergonomics. Ergonomics is the science of fitting to the job or to individual worker. MSK disorder can result when there is a mismatch between physical demand and demand of the job and the physical capacity of the worker. The risk of developing MSK disorder increase when worker work in an awkward position. Ergonomics is a body of knowledge concerned with human abilities, design of tools and this question has been repeated again. Maximum asymmetric strength capacity of frequently used to evaluate the risk of the performance of a job, because at slow emotions maximum asymmetric strength is very similar to maximum isotonic strength. Work ergonomics involve fitting the worker to the task. This question is repeated again for the 3rd time. Ergonomic related symptoms include tenderness, numbness, swelling, all of above. To eliminate the risk factor, you should take short break throughout the day, and it is the true statement. Which of the following is not a ergonomic risk factor? Environment. Ergonomic condition commonly caused by awkward posture. What does leisure and play offers? It offers all of above: self-expression, relaxation, cognitive, emotion and physical activities. Changing your body position, often stretching at regular intervals, sitting tall while at work will help you to achieve less stress and injuries. Ergonomics help in reduces MSD and absenteeism. What is the goal of ergonomics? It's the goal of ergonomics is to help people stay healthy while performing their work more effectively. What categories of risk factors contribute in MSD? Posture, repetition and force. What is the goal of ergonomics? To help people stay healthy while performing the work more effectively. What category of risk factor contribute in MSD? Posture, repetition and force. Which of the following are ergonomic disciplines? Anthropometrics, biomechanics and industrial design. The result of a good match between worker capabilities and task demand is a lower chance of worker injury or illness. Carpal tunnel syndrome most often affects the arm, wrist and hands. What is the most used tool you have? Your hands. According to Hendrick and Kleiner, organization psychology and macroergonomics differ in their focus and approach. Ergonomics redesigned to ensure optimal human interaction with job machines and system. Ergonomics help in achieving the maximum level of performance. Goal is to design any or all part of organization in order for all entire organization is to operate in harmonized fashion. Assessment includes looking at organization complexity, differentiation, integration and formalization, or all of above. So the option all of above is right. Well trained therapists or recognize how individual can fit into various environment during and after treatment. Which of the following group best represent the three fundamental types of muscle contraction: isotonic, isokinetic, isometric? Okay, isotonic, kinetic, metric. Static muscle loading, continuous state of muscle contraction without active movement related to maintaining one fixed work posture. Static muscle loading, continuous state of muscle contraction without active movement related to maintaining one fixed posture, right? In which contraction there is maximum requirement of ATP is eccentric contraction. Work related to assessment to determine need of role, duties, task elements, all of above. Functional capacity evaluation is done when to evaluate individual capacity.